Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Cognizant Multi-Cloud System Engineer 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 batch hiring. Friends, this particular hiring is closed on 5th of November 2024. Now why I am making this video, I will tell you. So yesterday many of the candidate, right, so they received this particular email. So dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully cleared the communication assessment and have been shortlisted for the next step in the recruitment process. We congratulate you for this achievement. Upon a detailed evaluation of your skill and expertise, we believe that your profile aligns more closely with the requirements of a multi-cloud engineer trainee role, right, rather than the cloud infrastructure trainee role CIS. Okay. Now, so friends, some time back, right, so Cognizant was hiring for CIS role, cloud infrastructure engineer trainee role, and many of you have already applied. Okay. Now, and you also wrote the communication test. So after your communication test, now Cognizant is telling that bhaiya, instead of CIS role, you are eligible for multi-cloud engineer trainee role. Now friends, it's very important to understand the roles in a company. Based on that, you can give your consent. So we have BPO, right? We have IT engineer role, and then we have testing domains, and then we have development domains, right? So basically these are the 4 domains will be there in a IT company. Okay. Now, so if you have not yet applied, right, for Cognizant CIS role or multi-cloud CIS role, then now you will not be able to apply because the deadline is over, and this mail has been sent to the candidates, those who have already written communication test for the CIS role. Clear? Very clear. Okay, so we understand that this is a change from the original plan, and we want to assure you that this decision is based on our assessment of your potential and the current demands of the organization. We believe that this role will provide you with a better opportunity to utilize your skills and grow professionally. Your technical assessment and other subsequent stages of recruitment process will remain unchanged. Thank you for understanding and cooperation. And here you can see the consent form which you have to fill. But before you go and fill the consent form, let us try to understand. So friends, like how Cognizant hires for CIS role, Cognizant also hires for multi-cloud engineer, right, 2021 till 2024 batch, iteration 2. Location Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Coimbatore, Kolkata. Friends, please do like the video. If you think that we are really putting the effort, we are really standing for you, right, then please do like the video. So application deadline was 5th of November, right? So I don't know if you have applied for it or not. Okay. The compensation will be 4 lakhs per annum. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MS, MSc, and all were eligible. Okay. Now, so friends, we need to understand what is the difference between CIS and your multi-cloud role. So one thing first you understand, and then we will go and we will see what basically they have mentioned by that. They mean by that basically. So let us try to understand. These are the 4 different roles which a company will be having. Okay. So one is your BPO sector. So definitely I will not suggest anyone to go for BPO. So even if you are from BSc, BCA, please get into some other domain. Okay, learn data science, learn AI, ML, something you learn, and get into other domain, but not into BPO domain. Second comes your IT domain. Okay, now, so this IT domain, no, they will have multiple things inside this. Okay, and then comes testing. So you will be testing a software or you will be testing a hardware, right? And then there'll be development. So you will be developing the softwares, right? Okay. So either C++, Java and all. Now, so our discussion area is in IT domain. So friends, in IT domain, there'll be multiple roles will be there. So if you talk about one such roles, right? So if we talk about one such roles, my dear friends, then you think about you are in a company, right? And you have been given a laptop. So laptop flashing, right? so they will put Windows into your laptop, right? If you have any problem with your VPN or laptop, so basically company softwares and all, so they will be helping you out, right? Okay. Second will be like this person will have little more responsibility than a IT domain. So all other access related things or any problem in future is happening with any kind of softwares or any kind of hardwares, right? Okay. And then if with respect to hardware also or any kind of permission issues, all those things he will be solving. And then comes your technical support. So in technical support, so this particular person will be working closely with R&D team, okay, or engineering team, and he will also have knowledge of the features. So basically this particular person will be facing the customers, right? And here there will be an engineering team will be there, okay? So if any problem is there, first technical, so what kind of problem? So feature level problem. Like if you're developing some product, let's say Samsung mobile. So if there is any mobile, which here customers is like US based clients, you say. So that also you can say client. So you have the clients. So you will be the first point of contact, right? Okay. Now suppose Airtel, right? So if Airtel you are not able to make a call, right? So suppose is a whole community or whole, like suppose 25% of the people in US is not able to make a call using the Airtel network. Then the first point of contact will be the technical support. They will analyze and that will come to the engineering team. So basically you will be here. So see, technical support, I assume it is similar to the testing and development, right? So it will be like somewhere very near to this. And this also has a good future. See, friends, once you get into IT company, then you will be able to learn things and you can switch to projects, right? There'll be internal management tools will be there. All those things you will be able to do. Now, let us see what is a syllabus basically, okay? And what they are defining that, what you as multi-cloud, right? Trainee engineer you will be able to do, right? Okay. Now, so here you see engineer trainee multi-cloud. Now, okay, so they have told about Cognizant. Location they have told Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Coimbatore and Kolkata. Job description. Okay. So what you will be doing? So trainee engineer, right, will be responsible for maintaining and administrating computing environments including system software, application software, hardware and configuration etc. Analyst will monitor the production servers, schedule jobs, incident management and receiving incident and request from end users, analyzing this and either responding to end user with a solution. Same thing they have written. Okay, so basically you will be providing support for Windows, network, database, storage, messaging, collaboration and cloud support. So you will be like, see, you will also have knowledge of like how this cloud infrastructure works, like AWS, Azure, right? So all those things you will be able to learn. Key responsibility. So adhere to customer security and compliance requirement, adhere to customer. So this is, see, whatever I told that is only written in the fancy words. Friends, see, when I talk I use very simple English words, right? Sentences. So if somebody else talk, you might be seeing like they will be using some fancy kind of words. Same thing. Support available for Cognizant. Okay. Anyway, now so the first thing is registration and screening. Okay. So already you have done that. Round 1 communication assessment is done, and after shortlisting you will be having aptitude assessment. All shortlisted candidates will appear for pre-train interviews, okay, and then all shortlisted candidates will undergo vendor training. Like they will tell you, okay, so how this cloud infrastructure works, how you will be able to create the virtual machines on top of that, right? So what if some problem comes, right? So if you are not able to access the cloud, then which IP you have to ping, all those things. Okay, so all shortlisted candidates will appear for technical interview. And then technical interview will go, and if selected you will be getting the full-time offer, right? So basically 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024 batch are eligible for this, right? Okay. So friends, I suggest you go for give your consent. First get selected and then later on you will have still time to think. Right now, don't be arrogant that no, I will not do that. I will have multiple offers later and all. So don't be that arrogant. Okay. So if you have got this opportunity, please go ahead. Okay. Get selected. Later on you see what if you have got selected for some company and you are not getting the onboarding, right? What you will do? So something will be better than nothing, right? So this is the whole thing which I wanted to share with you. I hope this was useful. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best, right? So decide, but before you decide, you go write the examination, give your consent. The decision you can take later, right? Because the ball will be in your court. The ball should not be out from your court, right? Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.